Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and we made it through 2020. We survived. I want to say Happy New Year. I have had such a great year. It's been tough for a lot of people, and oh my goodness, our hearts go out to those of you who have fought and who are survivors. I have been very blessed. I'm sitting in a great blessing right now. My beautiful, I believe it's an 11 by 13 greenhouse that we were able to construct this year. The story is so great. We had some problems with a greenhouse that was given to us for, if we disassembled it, we could have it for a very, very, very small price. Well, when the pieces of the greenhouse were rusted out and there were parts that we wanted to replace, the company that we purchased, that the original greenhouse was purchased from, does not do replacement pieces. So they said for a warranty, you can have another greenhouse. Okay, everybody, I don't know if you can tell, there's something different in my greenhouse. Look at all the bubbles. So my husband discovered that if you use bubble wrap, it can insulate the greenhouse. Look. My entire greenhouse is covered in bubble wrap. What a good man. All the way to the top. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I am here to wish you all a very, very happy new year. And I just wanted to encourage you that I have some great videos coming up, two for sure. I'm going to do a video about when you get that new Christmas plant. I don't know how to take care of it. I'm going to help you with that. And a good friend of mine is kind of a master in caring for orchids. A friend gave me a couple orchids, and I have a confession to make. That same friend gave me an orchid several years ago, and I was very busy and I didn't have time to care for it. I thought I killed it, the green lady. Listen, we all have learning to do, and I'm not above learning. And so that video is going to be really great. I can't wait for that to come out. And we will have lots more videos. But I just wanted to encourage you to go ahead and follow me on Facebook, find me on YouTube, subscribe to me on YouTube. I have a website. All these things in the mix have just made what you do for me wonderful. You follow me, you subscribe, you ask questions, you post pictures. My most exciting part of the Green Lady that I really enjoy is my Gretchen's Gardeners on Facebook. Please join. I love when other gardeners post things, they share things that they have knowledge of. I know some days when one person asks a question, if I don't get to it right away, I have other gardeners who are so knowledgeable and they'll answer the questions as well. It is a great place and a great source for either local or friends who are in other states to just be part of, because I learn from you. I know you learn from other gardeners. Hopefully you learn some things from me. So this has been Gretchen the Green Lady saying I want to wish you a very happy and blessed new year. And get out there and enjoy your gardens and get those hands dirty. And come on by if you're local and visit my greenhouse. I have lots of goodies for you. This is Gretchen the Green Lady. We made it. We made it through 2021. Cut.